Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. Do you want your cursor to be highlighted the way I'm now highlighting it here? Then follow the steps. First of all, let me bring it back to the normal state, and then we will start our tutorial to highlight our cursor in Windows 11. So here it is. Now I have my cursor normal, and we will follow some steps to make it to highlight the cursor in Windows 11. First of all, we need some files to be downloaded from the website. It's rwdesigner.com, which will give us all the designer cursor pointers like that. So this is the cursors, highlight cursors, rwdesigner.com. If you go to gallery and search, you don't even need to search, you will find all the options available there, but I'm going to download these highlight set cursors, which I downloaded already, and I saved it into my one of the highlighted folder here, so on a desktop. So let's go and start search for mouse. Settings, scroll down, click on additional mouse settings, click on pointers, and now you see how this will show us that how your normal cursor will be displayed, or helped cursor will be displayed working in background or busy and all those. So we want to show our normal select cursor highlighted one. So before that, let me show you those files. I think I forgot to show those files. Those files are downloaded here, and I have all the options available. I got the zip file while I downloaded it. While I unzip it, I found all these different color highlighting colors: red, yellow, purple, and orange, green, blue, black. So now let's go back here. It's simple. Select this normal select, browse, and go to the folder where, and here it is. Let's select green for now, or maybe let's select green, open, and then apply. You see, immediately it's showing us the values. Now you can see here it is highlighting my cursor in the color which I want. So it's very simple. You don't need to download and install third-party software on your machine, and that's it. Now the question is, if you want back your previous cursor display, so it's simple. Just select none, apply. That's it. It's gone. And this is how you can go back to your previous stage where you don't have any highlighting things. So let me highlight it with the red for now. That's it. Okay, and here I'm going to conclude this video. So it's very simple, friends, how to highlight your cursor in different colors in Windows 11. This is the simplest way of doing it. It is similarly you can do it in Windows 10 as well, but for that I'll cover and I'll create a separate video. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel if you haven't done it, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much.